Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. Today I will teach you practical question of dissolution. Okay. The following is the balance sheet of A and B as on 31st March 2022 is given. Okay. The firm was dissolved on 31st March 2022. Okay. On the following terms. Following are the informations given here. And you are required to prepare realization account, partners capital account, bank account to close the books of the firm. Okay. Let us start with the solution. This is the solution. First of all, you have to prepare realization account. Okay. And secondly, you have to prepare partners capital account. And thirdly, you have to prepare bank account. Okay. Bank account. In realization account, first of all, you have to transfer asset and liabilities from balance sheet. Okay. Look, this cash in hand is transferred to bank account. Okay, like this. Bank account I have prepared here. Okay, balance brought down is cash because I am making bank account, the balance at bank should be brought down. Okay. Here, this 8,000 should be brought down here. Okay. And cash in hand is deposited in the bank. Cash in hand is deposited into the bank. Okay. Next asset is stock in trade. The stock in trade is transferred to realization account on debit side. Okay. Stock in trade you have to transfer here. Next is investment. Investment you have to transfer here. Debtors of 20,000 you have to transfer here. 20,000. Okay. And this provision less provision is given in balance sheet. So you have to transfer this provision on credit side of realization account. Plant again transfer to realization account के debit side में. Building good 15,000 on debit side. Okay, then goodwill is transferred to here. Building, plant, all are transferred to realization account. Then advertisement suspense account. Advertisement suspense account is transferred to capital accounts of partners. Okay, in which ratio? Because no ratio is given in this question. A, B are partners given as like this. So advertisement suspense is divided equally. This 35,000 is divided equally among A and B. Okay. Then come to liability side. On liability side, sundry creditors are given. These are transferred to realization account on credit side, sundry creditors of 30,000. Okay. Then bills payable. Bills payable 8,000 is transferred here. Okay. Mrs. A loan 5,000 is transferred here. And Mrs. B loan is also transferred to realization account on credit side. Okay. General reserve. Next come to general reserve is transferred to capital accounts of partners equally among A and B. Okay, then investment fluctuation reserve is given. It is transferred to realization account on credit side because investments are given in balance sheet. If investments are not given in balance sheet, then it is transferred directly to capital accounts. But in this case, investments are given. That's why I have transferred this here. Okay, next. I have transferred all things of balance sheet in different accounts. Okay, next, the firm was dissolved on 31st March 2022. Okay, on the following terms. Ab here you look, A point is A promised to pay Mrs. A loan. A promised to pay Mrs. A loan. Okay, so in realization account you have to write to A's capital account, in bracket you have to write Mrs. loan. How much? This is the amount of Mrs. A loan, 5,000. Okay, 5,000 you have to write here. Next, he took over stock in trade at 4,000. So on credit side, you have to write A's capital account. In bracket, you have to write stock. Okay. He is taking at 4,000. So you have to write 4,000 here. Okay. First point is complete. Next is B took away half of the investments at 10% discount. Okay. So by B's capital account, investments. ठीक है. What is the value of investments? 5,000. He is taking half of the investments. Half of the investments cost 5,000. Okay. And at 10% discount. तो 5,000 का कितना हो गया आपका? 5,000 is the half investments less 10% discount. The 500 is the 10% discount. You have to take at 4,500. Okay. Next point is debtors realized 10,000 including bad debts recovered 6,000. It means it is realized in cash. So now you have to take by, you are making bank account. So you have to write bank account everywhere in the question. Okay. Bank account में debtors realized given as debtors 19,000. Okay. Then next point is debtor realized 19,000 including bad debts recovered. Then creditors and bills payables were due on an average basis of 1 month. Due on an average of 1 month after 31st March, but they were be paid immediately on 31st March at 6% discount per annum. Okay, you have to calculate like this. See, here working notes में you have to do calculation. Creditors are of rupees 30,000. Okay, and on an average of 1 month है, so you have to take 1 by 12. Okay. 6% is the amount of discount, so into 6 by 100. So it comes to 150. Total creditors are for 30,000. 150 is the amount of discount. So total you have to pay 29,850. So you have to write here, okay, to bank creditors. 29,850. Okay, now comes to bills payable. Bills payable is of rupees 8,000. It is also on an average of 1 month, 1 by 12 करना है, into 6% is the amount of discount. Okay, so it comes to 40 rupees. So bills payable 8,000 minus 40 is equal to 7,960. So you have to write here to bank. In bracket you have to write bills payable, or amount paid to against bills payable is 7,960. Okay. Come to next point. Plant realized 25,000, building realized 40,000. So you have to write under this by bank account. Debtors realized 19,000 as I have already done. ठीक है. Plant realized how much? Plant realized 25,000. Okay. And building realized 40,000. And goodwill realized 6,000. Next, remaining investments realized 4,500. Okay, this E point I have done. Plant, building, goodwill, remaining investments. Okay, here. Next point is you have to do total here. There was an old typewriter in the firm which had been written off completely from the books. It was estimated to realize 300. It was taken away by B at this estimated value. So by B's capital account, when partner is taking some asset, so you have to write B's capital account in bracket unrecorded asset, okay, of rupees 300 he is taking at this value. Okay, now comes next bills payable का आपने पेमेंट कर दिया. Okay, 7960. Next is Mrs. A loan. Mrs. A loan already it is taken by A's, so A's capital account 5000 and nothing is given about B's loan. Okay, nothing is given about B's loan, Mrs. B's loan. So you have to make payment to B for B's Mrs. B's loan. Okay, creditors का हो गया, bank payable हो गया. Next you have to total this amount, it comes to 94,500 this total. Okay, and there was an unrecorded asset you have written here. So now this side is more, so you have to total first 159,300. This amount should be written here like this. Okay, then up to this you have to total it. Okay, and minus from this total. The balancing figure is 32,400. This is the balancing figure, and this is the amount of profit on realization. This is transferred to A's capital and B's capital in equal proportion. Okay, because no ratio is given, so they are equal partners. Okay, next comes to capital account. Okay, capital account में I have already transferred things from balance sheet. Now look here, this A has taken Mrs. A loan, so you have to write realization account, by realization account Mrs. loan. Okay, Mrs. loan in A column only. ठीक है. Then bank you have to write in bank column only. Okay, bank का इधर always on opposite side. Okay, by realization account in bracket you have to write creditors 29,850. Okay, by realization account bills payable is how much? 7960. Okay, you are making payment for Mrs. B loan, so by realization in bracket Mrs. B's loan. Okay, this is 10,000 amount, and profit on realization is transferred to capital accounts of partners. So by realization account in bracket you have to write profit. Okay, 16,245. Okay, in equal proportion. And then comes to this side. This side you have written A's capital account. A has taken stock at 4,000. So you have to write to realization stock. Okay, stock is taken at 4,000 by A. So you have to write in A column. Okay, B is taking investment. So to realization investments की वैल्यू है आपकी 4,500 taken by B. So you have to write in B's column 4,500. This 4,000 should be written here. Okay, this bank by bank should come in bank account. Okay, to realization you have to write sundry assets realized. Okay, at which value? Total is 94,500. You have to write 94,500 only. Okay, there is no need to total it again in this. Okay, then B is capital account unrecorded asset. तो B is capital account में to realization unrecorded asset, that is 300 in B's capital account. Okay, 5. Okay, this total you have to return here and this total you have to return here. Okay, then this above 1750 and 4000, 5750 हो गया total. This is deducted from 36,245 and this is balancing figure. 30,495 is the balancing figure. तो टू बैंक आ जाएगा यहाँ पे फाइनल पेमेंट. ओके, दिस कम्स हेयर ऑल्सो. इन बैंक अकाउंट यू हैव टू राइट बाय एएस कैपिटल अकाउंट 30495. ओके, लाइक दिस बीस का टोटल 31245 है, 31425 एंड इसमें से यहां तक का टोटल आप माइनस करेंगे तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर कम्स टू 24695 and this also comes in bank account 24695 on opposite side only. ठीक है, B is capital account. This is the final payment. Okay, and this assets realized आ रहा था आपका total 94,500. तो you have to transfer this in bank column also. ठीक है, to realization account sundry assets realized 94,500. There is no need to write all these things again. You have to write sundry assets realized. Okay, all payments are done. Then you have to total bank column 103 103. It means if bank column is equal, bank account is equal, it means you have done it correctly. You have posted all entries correctly.